MGC installation video. What's in box? The docking station. Nails. Screws for setting the docking station. Packs. Boundary wires. Low voltage cable. Power supply unit. Wire connector. Ruler. Required tools: hammer and wire stripping pairs. Place the docking station near bipolar. The docking station is divided into a size: left side, right side. Put the left side inside mowing area. Put the right side outside boundary. Power the docking station. If in need, using the extension cable. Set the boundary wire. Feed the cable through the cable duct on station. Connect the wire to the black connector point. Prepare the nails and screws for fixing station. After all the boundary setting done, do not nail them now. Use the hammer pegging the boundary. Finish the boundary wire setting. Connect the wire to the right connector point. Close the docking cover. Install the nails. Install the screws. charging the robot and unlock the pin. Press mode, then press on/off. Enjoy your mowing time.